Well, isn't that's what you do? Every time I sing out of key, you stand up and you walk out on me. Lend me your ears, and I will sing you a song, and I will try not to sing out of key. Oh, yeah, I get by with a little help from my friends. Oh, yeah, I get by with a little help from my friends. Oh, yeah, tell you something I think you'll understand when I tell that something. Hold your hand. I wanna hold your hand. I want to hold your hand. I wanna hold your hand. Oh, yeah. When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom. Let it be. And in my hours of darkness, she's standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom. Let it be. And when the broken-hearted people living in the world agree, there will be an answer for those that may be parted. There is still a chance that they will see. And in the restless night I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the halo of a street lamp, I turned my collar to the cold and damp. When my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 2,000 people, maybe more. People talking without listening, people hearing without speaking, people writing songs that voices never share, and no one cares. Disturb the silence. Fools, said I, do not know. Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might reach you, but my words like silent raindrops fell and echo in the well and tenement hall.